At the age of 60, Peter Green, a Hollywood actor best known for his dark and gritty roles in films like Pulp Fiction and The Mask, passed away suddenly. Fans all throughout the world appreciated his strong on screen persona, are heartbroken by his passing. There is no evidence of foul play, and authorities have not established the precise cause of death. His passing marks the end of a life that was as complex and intense as the characters he portrayed. Green's path was never simple. He fled home as a youngster and lived on the streets of New York for a while. Those formative years were characterized by adversity, unpredictability, and survival. He claimed later in life that these encounters made it easier for him to comprehend genuine suffering and terror, feelings he would later effortlessly include in his acting. He had no privilege or connections when he first entered Hollywood, and he developed his profession gradually. Directors saw something unique in him, a realistic performer. His career took a significant shift in 1994 while his portrayal of a Dorian Tyrrell in The Mask made him a well known villain of the decade. His unsettling performance as Zed in Pulp Fiction stunned viewers. He gained notoriety for portraying individuals who were dangerous, although his roles were never overly dramatic. Behind the scenes, Green struggled with significant personal issues. He freely acknowledged that his long battle with drug addiction cost him stability and crucial responsibilities. He also battled mental health issues and persevered through times when his life seemed to be about to fall apart. He kept working despite these difficulties, attempting to pull himself back together. Green thought that his art was influenced by his sorrow. He once suggested that his performances were honest rather than theatrical because he understood darkness. He was hard and demanding, but also very passionate and sincere, according to many who worked with him. While some claimed he could be challenging, others recalled his generosity and kindness, particularly towards people who shared his struggles. Fans recalled how terrifying and memorable his performances were after learning of his passing. The fact that such a gifted performer had such a difficult life was lamented by many. Even though Peter Green was never a conventional Hollywood star, his performances, which seemed genuine, relatable, and unforgettable, left a legacy. Toward the later years of his career, Peter Green spoke openly about life, struggle, and survival. In one of his reflections, he shared a simple belief that stayed with many people. That pain does not destroy a person, but it changes them. That thought now feels deeply connected to the roles he played and the life he lived. Though his death came suddenly, his words and his work continue to speak for him, reminding audiences that even in darkness, there is a human story behind every face. Thanks for watching CNET News. Stay tuned for more updates and stories from around the world. See you next time.